Hi guys, today we compare Realme GT6 versus Vivo iQOO 12 Pro. The Vivo iQOO 12 Pro launched on November 2023 and the Realme GT6 launched on June 2024. The body dimension is same, not much difference, and the weight of Vivo iQOO 12 Pro is 210 gram and the Realme GT6 has 199 gram. And the build Vivo iQOO 12 Pro come with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and the Realme GT6 come with front glass, plastic back and plastic frame. The display of both devices, the Vivo iQOO 12 Pro come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The Realme GT6 come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is same in both devices 6.78 inches, and the screen resolution, the Realme GT6 come with 1.5K screen resolution and the Vivo iQOO 12 Pro come with 2K screen resolution. The Vivo iQOO 12 Pro come with 518 ppi density and the Realme GT6 come with 450 ppi density. The screen to body ratio in Vivo iQOO 12 Pro is 89.4% and the Realme GT6 have 91.8%. The aspect ratio is same in both devices 20:9 and the refresh rate of Vivo iQOO 12 Pro is 144 Hz with 3000 nits peak of brightness, and the Realme GT6 has 120 Hz with 6000 nits peak of brightness. The screen protection in Vivo iQOO 12 Pro is Gorilla Glass and the Realme GT6 is Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and the both devices come with dual SIM, nano SIM card and dual standby. No headphone jack in both devices. The platform, the Vivo iQOO 12 Pro and the Realme GT6 come with octa-core Cortex X4 CPU and the chipset is Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in Vivo iQOO 12 Pro and the Realme GT6 has Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 4nm, and the GPU of both devices, the Vivo iQOO 12 Pro come with Adreno 750 and the Realme GT6 come with Adreno 735, and the both devices come with Android 14 operating system. The benchmark score of Vivo iQOO 12 Pro is 2 million and the Realme GT6 has 1.5 million. Let's go to the camera setup. The Vivo iQOO 12 Pro comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 64 megapixel periscope telephoto and 50 megapixel ultra wide with dual LED flash, HDR and panorama, and it record 8K 30fps video. The Realme GT6 comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom and 8 megapixel ultra wide with dual LED flash, HDR panorama, and it record 4K 60fps video. Let's go to the selfie camera. The Vivo iQOO 12 Pro comes with 16 megapixel selfie camera with 1080p 30fps video record, and the Realme GT6 comes with 32 megapixel selfie camera with 4K 30fps video record. The memory of Vivo iQOO 12 Pro is 16 gigs of RAM and Realme GT6 has 8 gigs, 12 gigs and 16 gigs of RAM. And the internal storage, Vivo iQOO 12 Pro have 256 gigs, 512 gigs and 1 TB of internal storage, and the Realme GT6 has 256 gigs, 512 gigs of internal storage. No SD card, no nano memory card support in these mobiles. The commons and the features of Vivo iQOO 12 Pro: it has Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, Type-C 3.1, 5G networking, fingerprint under display, stereo speakers, UFS 4.0, wireless charging and IP68 dust and water resistant. The Realme GT6 common and features: it has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, USB Type-C 2.0, 5G networking, fingerprint under display, stereo speakers, UFS 4.0 and IP65 water and dust resistant, and reverse charging with wire. The battery backup of Vivo iQOO 12 Pro is 5100 mAh battery with 120 watt fast charging, and it supports 50 watt wireless charging. The Realme GT6 has 5500 mAh battery and 120 watt fast charging and no wireless charging in this mobile. The price of Vivo iQOO 12 Pro is $800 and the Realme GT6 has $700. The points of Vivo iQOO 12 Pro is 24 and the Realme GT6 has 20 points.